Welcome back. Today I'll be installing the FitcamX dash cam in a 2020 Porsche Macan. The kit comes with the camera itself, wiring harness, a clip removal tool, and then a USB card reader. This is what the camera looks like. And this hole here is what goes around your rear view mirror. So when you look at it from the side, you don't see much. It's kind of a good looking OEM type application. So I'll walk you through some of the steps. One of the things that you may want to do before you get started is go to your local dealer and pick up this part number right here, that 95B868771. Those are the spring clamps that hold in your dome light. They're kind of a single-use item, so if you don't want it falling out, go ahead and purchase those before you start the project. That way you're ready to get everything put back together. Stick around. First thing you want to do is remove this piece. Basically, you want to stick your pry tool up in this slit here, twist sideways, and it'll pop this piece out. The next thing I'm going to do is remove this piece, or at least lower the dome light, so that we can get in and attach our new outlet. And this is why you want to have those new set of clips, because these things are totally ruined. Like I said, they're more of a single-use item. So no matter how much you bend these guys to try to get them back in, it's not going to work the same. So you might as well just go buy the new clips. So now when you have this piece out or down where you can work on it, you basically just want to push down on this and slide that clip out. Like that. Insert our new piece, and then insert this one into that wiring harness. So now we're all set to plug in our camera. So the next thing I did was I split the camera case in half, like you're supposed to get that wire out and to get it around your rear view mirror. I then fished it up by pulling down on this piece here so that I had enough room to fish the wire through. It's connected there, and then I will just plug these two guys in, and I'll have this part of the installation done. All right, at this point it would be a good idea, after you have everything connected here, to turn it on and see if you have a blue light flashing. I did not, and so I went and unplugged this one that was just hanging here and plugged it in, and then turned the key on, and then I did have it. So I'd hate to get this all put back together and then have to replace these clips again. So good idea to check these things out before you do. So take this and adjust your wire and fish that up in there so that it looks something like that, and then we'll put the other side on. All right, so as you put this in, there's a pin on this side, one on the other. You'll want to slide that in. That kind of holds the piece in there. As you rotate this up, just make sure that everything goes up nicely. And then press her into place. All right, so there you have it. The trim is all back in, the light's up. And the last thing you want to do is make sure you tear the little blue, let's see if I can get it there, little blue cover off of the camera itself, and then you'll be ready to go. There is an app so that you can connect to the camera and get a live view of it and then see some of the files that it has recorded. It does come with a card, but I have upgraded. I had a bigger one, so I'm using that one now. But that's it. That's the final installation. That's what it looks like when you're all done. Thanks for watching.